Howdy, my friends. For my culture, stories have been the way that one generation passes its lessons on to the next. Today, I would like to tell you a story that my father told me about a very great-grandfather of mine. A very long time ago, there was a king in Uganda who was very cruel to his people. One day, the king sent for Walukaga, the chief of the blacksmith, and said to him,
I want you to do a piece of work for me since you're such a clever man. I want you to make me a man at your forge. Not an Iron Man though, no, but a real one. One that can walk and talk and do everything that a real man does.
Walukaga walked away very sad, for he saw that the king meant to kill him. Walukaga said, "Who but God can make a real man? And what blacksmith can make one at the forge?"
Greetings, sister.
Mother Earth looks mighty fine this evening.
Why do you look so sad?
I have very few days left to live. I must forge a man, or surely I will die.
Wait a minute. Wait.
I got it. Okay, so...
Oh no, that's a terrible idea.
No, I think it's gonna work.
Well, if it works, then I get the credit for it.
Fine.
Have you made the man at your forge yet?
Sir, I thought about it and I have come to ask you for help, because this is a very difficult task and I cannot do it alone. A special kind of charcoal is needed, and it is made of human hair. I want 3 large sacks of it.
Very well.
Sir, we saved the whole kingdom, yet Walukaga could only manage to fill 1 bag with charcoal. Sir, before I can forge a man, I must have water, but not any ordinary water. I must have the tears of men and women, for it takes many tears to forge 1 human life. I want 3 water pots full. Your Majesty, we've collected tears from all your subjects, yet still, Walukaga barely manages to fill a single pot. Sir, you have set me a hard task to do, and I asked you to help me in an easy way. If a great king cannot do a small thing, then how can a poor blacksmith do the work of God?
Walukaga was right. The task that I gave you to do was impossible.
There you have it. You know, it is said that the king gave Walukaga a great gift. No one knows for sure what it is, yet in Uganda, when a man is perplexed and found himself in a great difficulty, his friend says, "Find a madman and ask for his advice." This has become a proverb since the days of Walukaga, the great blacksmith.